Hi. People express their feelings in different ways through art, through music, and through expressions. Today, I'm here at the Nivas Art Exhibition in Colombo, Birds of Paradise by Rai Kalibaltasar and Dinushi Pamanua.
The exhibition, Birds of Paradise, showcases a collection of monochrome drawings featuring Sri Lanka's diverse bird life. For Rai, a researcher and politician, art has become a deeply personal exploration, a source of solace and inspiration.
It is an exhibition of bird art. Basically, it's birds in Sri Lanka that I've attempted to showcase here. And it's pen art, but there's also a portion I'm collaborating with a batik artist by the name of Dinushi Pamunua. And Dinushi is doing batik art. Basically, it's the same birds that I've drawn, but there are a few that she's designed in batik as batik art.
Birds of Paradise is on display from the 19th of July to the 25th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Corrado Art Space in Colombo 5.